You meant what once was shattered, and you turn my tears to laughter. Your forgiveness is my fortress. Oh, your mercy is relentless. When I'm caught deep in the battle, with chaos overcome, I find my comfort here.
Family stays together.
Good morning. Happy Tuesday. That's what it is today. I'm sorry guys, I've been so busy. I have not have a chance to sit on the computer, watch your guys' videos. It's just been, I've been so busy, like with all the kids' doctor's appointments and stuff. I didn't vlog other doctor's appointments because we go to the same place every time for each kid, and I don't want to keep showing going to the doctor, going to the dentist, because it's just the same thing of us going to the doctors, the dentist, and I think for me it's just like, okay, I already showed them this is boring, so I don't want to show it again. I know I took all the kids to get their teeth cleaned. You guys saw a little bit of that because I talked about it in one of my other vlogs. And then I took yesterday Gaby because there was a complicated with Gaby. I explained that in the other video where they charge my insurance in another place where she gets her braces for her teeth cleaned. So I had to take her there to get her teeth cleaned instead of her regular doctor. So it was just like complicated, and now today I have to take her to get her braces tightened. And yeah, I just been so busy, and I still have to take them to get all their physicals. So I'm gonna start with the 3 older girls first because they're older. Theirs is a little bit more different, and how the girls is a little bit different. They check other things, they talk, you know, and stuff like that with the doctor and stuff like that. So, and then I'll take Emily and David together because their birthdays are together. If you don't know, Amelia and David, their birthdays are a day apart. Amelia's is June 22nd and David's is June 23rd. So we always every year celebrate their birthdays together and stuff like that. So if you don't know, their birthdays are together. So when I'm gonna start working on their birthday montage for the both of them. I'm gonna see if I can put them together because they always celebrate their birthdays together. There was only one time that we celebrate their birthdays separately, but we just on their real birthday we buy them a cake as a family, just us, nobody else, just mom, dad, brothers, sisters. We have them a special cake. We sing happy birthday on their real birthday, but their birthday party, throw it together. It's just a little thing that every time somebody has a birthday, we celebrate their real birthday as a family. I think it's cool. You know, and it's just like us spending more time with that person of the year that they just, you know, the year they just passed. So yeah, but anyways, Emily's eating. I'll show you guys how she's eating. Hey Millie, say good morning. And yes,
Just pretend.
the hairdo. What happened to your hair? And she's always listening to stuff really loud. Oh, she's gonna show you guys her tattoo. Well, it's all dirty now, and not dirty, but like it's all faded. See, what is it? What is it?
It's a unicorn.
It's a unicorn. And over here she had a dream catcher. And over here, it's almost gone. This was like the hardest one I had to wash off. It was, I think birds, right?
Yeah.
It was birds. So she's eating her breakfast. Are you making faces to your friends? Yes? And Gabby's awake, but I think she's in her room. Alright guys, we're on our way to take Gaby to get her braces tightened. She missed school today because all her appointments are in the morning time. So Alex went to school. I forgot to mention that earlier, that Alex went to school. And David went to school too. So I'll be picking them up later after her appointment. Big old bump. There's like a big hole right there. So that's what we're doing right now. That's what we're gonna go do. Our day just gets very busy. Very, very busy. How about it? Gabby's here. She just doesn't want to be in the vlog. There you go. Gaby. Always shy to be in the vlog. Alright guys. I'm driving, and I really don't like to be driving and vlogging at the same time. It feels weird to be focusing and trying to look at you guys at the same time. So it's, yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go to the dentist. We'll see you guys there if there's not full, because if it's full, to vlog in front of all the people that are there. But I don't think it's full because it's morning. So alright, so I'll see you guys there. Bye. Okay, we're out of the dentist. Gabby got everything changed. Do you want to show them what you got changed?
No.
She says her teeth. She says that her teeth look bright because she picked yellow.
They feel so weird without the...
With the stuff off.
Yeah.
So you get to feel your teeth with it off.
But not all of it, just like the bar.
The bar. So now we're on our way home. I gotta clip you guys here.
Can you put my music on?
So I put my seatbelt on and everything. Yes, I will put music on. We always need to have music in the car. Alright, so we're gonna go home and make a little bit of food for the kids, and then go pick up David from school. Gabby speaking bird. Okay, now you do it. Do it again like you just did. The bird is like right there on top of our house. I don't know if you guys can see him right there. Maybe if I move this way. He's like right there. Go ahead, whistle again. Uh-oh, he's not listening to you today. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. That's so cute. He's whistling at Gabby. Alright, let's go in. Oh, he's still going. He's still singing. He's like that. He's singing "The Day Is Beautiful." Alright guys, I'm picking up David at school. Oh my god, I've just been running. I'm out of breath because I had to do some things and talk to his teacher about the field trip that's coming up, because I definitely want to go with David. I felt really bad last time that I didn't get to go with him, and now the school requires background check, and the school requires, you know, your photo ID and everything. So yeah, I've been running around to do that. I'm excited to go with David, and we're gonna go to the science museum, so it's very exciting. I haven't been to the science museum since I was a kid, so that's gonna be fun to enjoy that with David. David's already out. He's just at the park playing. I'm waiting for Gabby. I can't film David because there's a bunch of kids there, and I really don't film their school. So yeah, I'm just here waiting and waiting. Now I have to go home and clean because his house has been a mess all day because I've been running around. So now I'm going to go home, clean, give the kids that need something to eat, and then after that it's just gonna hang out at home and wait for Daddy to get home and relax. Wow. I just saw these two kids. They were two little teenager kids, and they were doing something naughty and they shouldn't be doing. All right, I'm just waiting for my daughter.
Let me see. Now can you go?
Are you still sick? Are you still sick?
You feel better?
Yeah.
Are you better? Is Daddy a good doctor? Yeah, he's a good doctor? He checked your belly?
Yeah.
Your belly don't hurt no more? Don't hurt no more?
It's good? You don't know?
Wait.
It's too hard?
We had to switch, so we look with the cup.
Okay, cool. Whatever you said.
We gotta open it like this. You open it. Keep your hands up. Just...
Uh-oh, he's gonna open your belly.
Now we go in there. We get the tripas out.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Millie. Daddy has it in his hand.
It's not good.
He threw it away.
Again.
Do you need it?
Wait,
She said yeah.
Let me see what else we take out. This, you don't need it.
He threw it away.
Let me see. Now let's
Oh, no.
close it together. Okay. Nice. Feel better?
Yeah.
We took a lot of stuff that you didn't need it in there.
Huh?
She's so confused. Did you need that? Do you need that back?
Huh?
Do you want that back?
Huh?
Do you want that back in your belly? No?
Yes.
Yes. She's gonna go find it.
You want to eat it?
Oh, let me see. I want to see you put it back in your belly. She's gonna put it back in her belly. Put it back. Oh, you put it back in your belly.
Se te salió por acá.
She just tooted. Ew, Millie.
One time.
One more time. Oh, it went in the tongue.
She's so funny. It went in your belly and it came out of your butt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're gonna operate one more time.
Watch you be the Sky Bag channel. It used to be a channel. And like the Sky Bag channel. It used to be a channel. It used to be a channel.
Okay, say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Say bye. See you next time. Say family stays together. Bye. Go ahead. Lucky.